What's happening, seventh graders? This is 3.3, example 3, and we got some more story problems, but we got to read this graph as well. So how are we going to decipher this? It says the line graph shows the scoring while you and your friend played a video game. So we have you are green, okay? Here's your scoring. And your friend is blue. It tells us that here. There's a friend scoring, okay? Now, it says, write and solve an equation to find your score after level 4. Okay, so you are green. So we have level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, right? And here's our total number of points over here. So it looks like this is at 25, right? You went negative, then you gained some, and you went up to 25. Okay. You can determine the following from the graph. Your friend's score is 33 points less than your score. So what this shows is you're at 25, your friend is at negative 8. It tells you that right here. It looks like 10, but it's not. It tells you it's at negative 8. So 25 plus 8 is 33. So that's the difference. You're 33 points ahead. Let S be your score after level 4. Okay, so the equation is negative 8 equals S minus 33. So negative 8 equals S minus 33. So we're going to solve it by adding 33 to both sides. And you end up with 25. 25 equals S. That is your score. All right. I know that's a lot of stuff, but maybe keep this stuff handy so that when you have one of these on your assignment, you can look at it. Okay, so here's extra example 3. Let's watch their tutorial and see how they do it.
You have negative 1 point after level 2 of a video game. Your score is 24 points less than your friend's score. Write and solve an equation to find your friend's score after level 2. Well, the problem says that you have negative 1 point and that your score, that negative 1 point, is 24 points less than your friend's score. Let's write that sentence and then we can use it to write an equation. So the sentence, your score is 24 points less than your friend's score. Notice that we know your score is negative 1. We know 24 points, and your friend's score is what we're trying to find. So let's define a variable. Let's call f your friend's score. So now to write an equation, we can substitute negative 1 for your score, equals for is, and to write 24 points less than your friend's score, we really need to turn the order of these two things around and say f minus 24. So this is an equation we can use to solve for f. Let's write the equation and solve it. Try solving this equation on your own.
Add 24 to both sides, right?
Hopefully you realize that you needed to undo subtracting 24 by adding 24, and then you do that to both sides so that you apply the addition property of equality to write an equivalent equation which has our solution f equals 23. So our answer to the problem is that your friend's score is 23 points.
All right, have this one written down as well. That will be helpful. That's it for example 3, and I will see you at the mini assessment.